Hello everyone, my name is Margot Rothstein and this is my desk critique part 1.
The course that I have created a project for is Math 120, or Math for Liberal Arts.
In the classwork section, I have created homework practice and a review project. In this desk critique, I am going to be specifically focusing on the review project, which is an application of the math skills that they practice in the homework. I will give a brief overview of the key points of the project and then I will present the actual project. For learner-to-content interaction, the students will go to multiple online databases and make selections about their research based on what appeals to them. They will find percentages of and set up linear equations for numbers they find for real-life costs of items and events in real cities. They will be researching very practical things: salary, the price of a house, the price for trips, monthly costs, and more. For learner-to-learner interaction, there will be a couple of times during the project in which the students post onto 2 different Padlet pages I have created. In the first Padlet page, they will use information from a post of another student to develop further calculations. For the second Padlet page, they will post results they have researched and calculated and share reflections about the project. For learner-to-instructor interaction, I will be using features on Google Classroom that I will explain further here. Important announcements and updates will be posted in 2 places: the announcement section on the main page and group emails. So I can click this checkbox to make sure that the email is sent to all students. I can also send emails to individual students by going here and clicking Email Student. This ensures that students receive information from multiple sources to double check the accuracy of their information and can get it in a timely manner. Okay, so here I am at the review project called Saving Up. There are 5 modules in this project. The first module is a prerequisite quiz. When I click on this, the instructions are: click on the link to access and complete the prerequisite quiz before beginning the project document. The project document will show up later in modules 2 through 5. So I click on the link and it brings me to the quiz. I'm going to go ahead and answer these really quickly. Okay, I'm done with the quiz. Now the way that I know what the grades are is I can go back to Flex Quiz where I created this quiz and I go to Analyze and I can see the scores of the quizzes that have been taken already. For the second module is called Saving for a House. When I click on this, the instructions are: go to the attached document called Saving Up, make a copy, add your name to the title, and fill out the section labeled Module 2. The links that are provided here in this module are also provided in the document. So I click on this. It brings me to the document. I'm going to copy this. Say Margot Rothstein, Saving Up. Now I have my own version. Okay, so the first instruction says, you have a job in a city, go to Indeed.com, find the average annual salary of a job and city in the United States of your choice. This can be your current job and city or your dream job and city. List the information in the following format: job in city, comma, state, and average annual salary. So I go to the website as it says, and you can also find these websites on the module, the links in the module that I provided as well, just to make sure that it's in both places. So for my example, I'm going to say software engineer in Denver, Colorado. Search. So now it gives me the average base salary for a software engineer in Denver, Colorado. I am going to put this number in the section on the document that it says. So 99973 here. So I'm going to put it exactly in the format that it says to put it in. So software engineer in Denver, Colorado, average annual salary. All right. Now it says divide the average annual salary by 12 to obtain the monthly salary. So I need to do that division really quickly, divide by 12, just like it says. Okay, so I have to put that in where it says to put it. And round to the nearest hundredth, it says. The next part is go to this website for Zillow.com and select the filters as follows. For sale, 1 bedroom, 1 bathroom, check exact matches, and for house type, houses only selected. So I'm going to go to this website. I'm going to type in my city just like it says. Okay, so for sale, 1 bed, 1 bath, exact use, exact match, and houses is selected. So from here, I'm just going to choose the price of a house that shows up. So I can use this one, $375,000. So I'm going to put that in. Now it says find 20% of the house price, which will be the down payment. Write the mathematical expression with the answer in the following format. So it gives me a format to follow. So I need to find the down payment for what this is going to be. So I'm going to take 375,000 times 0.2, and I need to find what that is. Okay, so that's my down payment amount. Now it says you have $14.50 in a savings account, and you want to put aside some money each month into your savings account to have enough money to afford the down payment for the house. Suppose you were to use all of your salary each month towards saving up for the down payment. Write an equation that solves for the least number of months X you must work to save up for the down payment. This includes the amount you already have in your savings and assumes that you use all of your salary each month. So I am going to say I need to get to 75,000, and I start with 1450, and every month I am adding on my salary amount monthly. So that was the 8331.08 x for months. So now it says write down the first step in solving this equation, write down the full word. So the first step in solving this equation is subtract 1450. And then it says write what the equation looks like after executing the first step. So I have to actually subtract 1450. Okay, I get 73,550. And then I still have it equal to 8331.08 x. Now write the second step, write the full word. So the next step is to divide by 8331.08. And then I have to write what the equation looks like from that point. So if I do that, I get, and it says round to the nearest tenth, so 8.8 in this case. All right, now fill out the statement below to explain what the equation in part 3C means in the context of this situation. If you got a decimal for your answer, round up to the nearest whole number.